Looking for a delicious way to support your digestive health? Yearning for a tasty blend that's not just enjoyable but beneficial to your body? Say hello to the Probiotic Bliss Smoothie. This is not just any smoothie. It's a wholesome, gut-nurturing blend that's brimming with probiotics and fiber-packed fruits. Imagine starting with a cup of probiotic-rich yogurt, a natural source of beneficial bacteria that supports a healthy gut. It's the perfect base for our smoothie. Next, add a half cup of blueberries. These small fruits are mighty powerhouses of fiber and essential nutrients, making them an excellent addition. Then throw in half a cup of peeled and sliced kiwi. Kiwis are not only delicious but also loaded with dietary fiber and antioxidants. A medium banana goes next. Bananas are an excellent source of natural sweetness and are known for their digestive benefits. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are an excellent source of fiber, adding a lovely texture and a boost to your digestive health. If you prefer a hint of extra sweetness, consider adding a tablespoon of honey, although this is entirely optional. Then it's time to add in a cup of spinach leaves. Spinach not only enhances the nutritional profile of your smoothie, but also adds a subtle, earthy flavor. Finally, pour in half a cup of almond milk or any preferred plant-based milk. This serves as the liquid base, ensuring your smoothie is creamy and easy to drink. Now combine all these ingredients in a blender. Blend on high speed until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Pour your creation into a glass and voila! Your Probiotic Bliss Smoothie is ready to be enjoyed. In summary, the Probiotic Bliss Smoothie is a delightful, nutritious concoction that supports digestive health, nurtures a flourishing gut microbiome, and tastes fantastic. It's a blend of probiotic-rich yogurt, fiber-packed fruits, chia seeds, and spinach, all brought together with a dash of almond milk. Enjoy this smoothie as a breakfast treat or a midday snack, knowing you're nourishing your body with every sip. Now that's a delicious way to health.